Good morning, students. This is the chapter for class 10, use of suffix. How can we change noun into verbs? Student, do you know about prefix? Prefix is a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word. As for example, un means not, and example is unhappy. Again, re means again, and example is reset. So there are so many examples of prefix. You can add dis, discourage, in, inactive, miss, misfortune, with, without, etc. And you also know about suffix. Suffix also a group of letters that is added to the end of a word. Common suffixes are shun, tion, t, ity, er, ness, is, meant, etc. Noun. Do you know, students, what is noun? Yes, noun signifies the name of a person, place or thing, or an idea or concept. For example, you can say Roorkee, Delhi, Bhavya, Ankit. All these are nouns. Boy, girl, table, chair. Noun can be formed using suffix to the base or the root word like honest, honesty, kind, kindness. Some of the nouns formed by changing the verbs in the lesson, as you have read Nelson Mandela, there are so many noun forms. These are given below. Noun forms, formation. All these words are used in the chapter Nelson Mandela. Formation, noun form. How can we make verb form? Government, govern. Obligation, oblige. Devotion, devote. Transformation, transform. Deprivation, deprive. See here, spelling is also changed. Deprive, e, change into a. Demonstration, demonstrate. Operation, oppress. Discrimination, discriminate. Last, if there is e in last, ion, e is removed. Separate, separation, separate. Both have e in the end, but when they are added, ion, e is removed. Elect, election, elect. Nationalization, nationalize. Inauguration, inaugurate. Installation, install. Now read the paragraph given below and fill in the blanks with the noun forms of the verbs in the bracket. In the bracket, verbs are given. You have to use with the noun forms. I think you are able to understand how we can make nouns. Prefix will be added in the end of the verbs. Yes, see. Martin Luther King's dash contribute. Contribution to our history as an outstanding leader began when he came to the assist. Assist would be assistance of Rosa Parks, a seamstress who refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white passenger. In those days, Americans black were confined to position to second bus. Citizenship. Citizenship by restrictive laws and custom. To break these laws would mean dash subjugation and humiliation by the police and the legal system. Beatings dash imprison. Yes, imprison would be imprisonment. And sometime death awaited those who defied the system. Martin Luther King's tactics of protest involved non-violent resistance to racial injustice. Now, I think you are able to understand. Answers are also I have written here: contribution, assistance, subjugation, humiliation, imprisonment, resistance. Thank you, students.